Dear Tim, Jay, and Lockie, what is a laser? How do they work? What is the history of lasers? What are they used for? And what are lasers made of? From Muhammad.
What are lasers? A laser is a device that emits light through a process of optical amplification based on the stimulated emission. A laser is a device that creates and amplifies a narrow, intense beam of coherent light. Atoms emit radiation. We see it every day when the excited neon atoms in the neon sign emit light. Normally, they radiate their light in random directions at random times. The result is incohesion light, a technical term for what you would consider a jumble of photons going in all directions.
Laser light is made from a monochromatic wavelength, in other words, one type of wavelength, where usual light is made from multiple wavelengths. The light released by a laser is coherent or organized. The electrons in the atoms which make the difference between monochromatic and non-monochromatic light. When one electron releases energy, it tells the other electrons with it to release energy. This is called stimulated emission. When the energy is released, it is released as photons, however not in one direction. It is released in any random direction. This is where strategically placed mirrors within the laser comes into action. Without these mirrors, the laser light would come out randomly. However, with these mirrors, it is released as an organized light ray.
The laser was first invented by Theodore Maiman, an American physicist in 1960. He built on the work of Albert Einstein by taking the maser and creating the laser as we know it today. Lasers are used for many purposes, from simple laser pointers to surgical tools in military warfare. They range in strengths from 1 milliwatt to 100 kilowatts.
Dude, be careful! Watch my eyes!